Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P. If your skill and your career is related to cloud computing, if you are working in any of the cloud, then definitely this video gonna help you, because here I am going to help you to advance your cloud career, how you can do it. Like, right now AI is one of the trending technology, and Google is offering 7 new courses that is absolutely free related to generative AI, and after completing these courses you will get the badge also. Once you complete the courses, these are the simple courses that you can complete. What are the 7 courses you will get it? Let me show you one by one, and then I'll show you where you need to register. Okay, so this is the page where you will find it. There is a link for all 7 courses in this page itself, but let me show you one by one where it is. So once you will come down here, you will see these new training materials available. These are the 7 courses which are available free of cost. Normally what happens, Google offer all the courses with some credit. Let me show you, these courses are with credit. How you will identify for that? You need a credit or it is free. If you will see this course here, you require 10 credits to complete this course, to start this course, right? But here I'm going to show you how you can get the courses for free, these 7 courses. Once you will click on this one, you will reach on this page. Okay, this is the first course that is related to introduction to generative AI, and you need to join here from this link. But what you will learn here, you will learn these all things mentioned in this verse. Similarly, next course is related to large language models, and it is also mentioned once you will complete, then you will get the completion badge. And what exactly you will have in this course, there is a 15-minute video, there is a document for the same, and the quiz. So it's good to learn quickly these things. Third course we are having, and here you can see it's absolutely free, right? So it is for attention mechanism, and it's just 5 minutes video and the quiz. Next course is transformer models and BERT models, that you will learn it within 11 minutes, okay, each. And then you need to perform some labs as well. So just to go and enroll for this course. Next is related to image generation, how the images are generated. Here you will learn how diffusion models works. Like if you go through the OpenAI, there is a diffusion algorithm there. I have gone through that one, just helping you to understand how it gonna help you to learn the AI. So this is just a path to cover everything. Like here it is like image captioning models, and it will be covered within 11 plus 18 29 minutes. Within half an hour you will learn one course. Okay, so it's good. It's not much means not much complex. It's just to dedicate your time with focus. So these are the 7 courses you will learn in okay, so what you need to do, you just need to come to this page, just enroll for all the courses, complete them, and get the completion badge. So it will help you to boost your cloud career. Also in your resume you can add this additional skill, and right now trust me guys, everybody is trying to learn AI and how they can use effectively, so they can grow further. So I hope you find this video helpful. I'll share all the links in the description box. Just like this video, share with your friends so you can help them. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. See you in next video with more informative content.